Hello there, human. Come here. I would like to share with you the 3 ways my human increases my activity levels. They buy me interactive toys. These workouts enable me to keep my killer body and my rock-hard abs. They open windows for me. This helps encourage mental stimulation throughout the day. Lastly, and most importantly, I get my daily joint and mobility support from Antinol Plus. Their natural ingredients are so yummy I even share them with Spooky. They're easy to eat if you're a smart cat like me. However, Spooky thinks everything is a toy. Thankfully, the soft gels can be poured directly onto her food. She is quite spoiled.